Hi Bio, here's my demo video of how to make a graph in Google Sheets for you. So it's assignment 36, lesson of the KaiBab, and you have two parts that you need to do. So the Google document where you're going to answer the questions and paste a copy of your graph, and the Google spreadsheet where you're actually going to create your graph. But I want you to take a copy of it and put it back into the Google document, right? So here's what it looks like. So here is the assignment itself. Okay, and so we're graphing some data of deer population in Arizona right here. And so your finished graph, I'd like you to paste it right there when you're done. Okay, so here it says using the Google spreadsheet attached to this lesson in classroom, graph the deer population data. Place time on the x-axis and number of deer on the y. And I want you to make a line graph. Okay, and I'm making the video, it says see the help video. All right, and then copy that graph and put it right here, and then you're going to answer the question. So don't forget to answer the questions after that. All right. So back to the assignment. Here is the data table. I've already made it for you and actually have it open already right here. Okay, so all you need to do is highlight this, go to this little chart icon, click on it. Whoa, it already inserts the graph for you. Mind blow. So if you wanted to, you could manipulate some things. You could, change the title of the axes, but this is perfect. Okay, so all you need to do is at this point, you can Control C and go here and Control V. And you don't need to link it. You can if you want. But boom, there it is. All right. Very simple. I just wanted you to try this out. So again, remember highlight, insert chart, and you can customize it as needed, but you don't really need to do anything yet because we're keeping it simple this time. All right. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.